Dr. Sushil Undaria. This patient, Mrs. Saroj Jha, 45-year-old, presented to my hospital in a very critical condition. She was brought by 4 relatives in a stretcher. She had severe vomiting for 5 to 6 days. Every day she used to vomit around 5 to 7 times. She didn't have anything in the stomach. Loose motion, watery diarrhea, yellow to greenish in color. And on looking at her, I also felt she was in a very critical condition. We had to take her in the ICU. On examination, I found her to be toxic. She had a tachycardia, tachypnea. She was severely dehydrated because of loose motion. She had a loss of appetite for last 1 month. She had a difficulty in swallowing, and she been severely dehydrated. She had a mild oral thrush. That could be the reason of her difficulty in swallowing. We referred her to Sion Hospital for further HIV therapy.
महीना में ऐसा खाली दर्द का गोली खाती थी और मेरा कोई सहारा नहीं था। मैं सोचती थी कि मैं नहीं जीऊँ तो चलेगा, मगर मिल गए तो फिर अभी दवाई मैं अच्छे से हूँ। और मेरा वज़न भी बढ़ गया। उस टाइम में 35 किलो 40 किलो बड़ा मुश्किल से होते थे, खाना नहीं खाया जाता था, बड़ा परेशान रहती थी मैं। अभी तो मैं बहुत ठीक हूँ, 48 किलो वज़न हो गया है और मैं खुश भी हूँ और तकलीफ़ भी ज़्यादा कुछ नहीं है मेरे को। तो दवाई से मेरे को सपना मैडम ने ठीक कर दिया।
Therapy, especially like research which we did recently, as we like to show you, whereby the GP120 site has been blocked, and initially if you take after the first week, though the patient automatically their viral load will increase higher because viruses are not able to enter inside. So if in this electron micrograph, if you see, the viruses are increasing quite high. We have done phase 1 trials on 12 coherent patients in Ohio State University, and we saw the weight gain out of 80% of the cases. This is the US DA, Department of Agriculture certification, giving certification that our product is free of any animal problems. And I think the best evidence was presented to me by our Health Minister of India himself when he gave us offer to do the trials in India at their cost. And I think the first time Health Ministry through National AIDS Control Organization, is conducting these trials in India at Sion Hospital on 50 patients, which now we are increasing the numbers to higher at taking multiple centers. However, as per the Ministry of Health and ICMR guidelines, we have now completed the 50 patients data, which will be submitted to the NACO and ICMR for approval as from Drug Control of India, Department of Science and Technology on behalf of President of India. We have also got 12 crores grant to develop the pilot plant and also the manufacturing facility here in this country.